Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 22, quadrilaterals, section A, easy. Let's start. In the given figure, find the value of x. See, this is a figure. What is a figure? This is a quadrilateral. And always remember, what is a quadrilateral basically? Quadrilateral is a figure which has 4 sides and it is a closed figure. See here, it should be closed, that's important. So, these are the angles 140, 60, this is 90. Nothing is given but right angle sign is shown, so 90. And this is x. Always remember the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equals to 360. Means if you add all these, it is 360. X plus 60 plus 90 plus 140 equals to 360. Solve this. 90 plus 60 plus 140, add them and subtract it from 360. You will get x equals to 70 degrees. The number of sides of a regular polygon whose exterior angle is 30 degrees is, see there are two parts in this. Firstly, what is a regular polygon? Firstly, what is a polygon? And then we will go to regular polygon. Polygon is any figure in which has line segments and which is a closed figure. Now this can be 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, anything. More than 3 sides, 3 and more than 3 sides. If it's 2 sides only, then it can be a polygon. So 3 sides and more, it's a polygon. Now what is a regular polygon? See this. This is not a regular polygon, but this is a regular polygon. Why? Because the sides are congruent over here and all the angles are same. That is known as a regular polygon. Means all sides equal, all angles equal. So one basic formula for finding the number of sides or exterior angle, anything you can find out. See here. Exterior angle of a polygon equals to 360 divided by n. Now what is n? N is number of sides of the polygon. Now remember this, exterior angle equals to 360 upon n. Now we can find out anything if you know 1. Now in our case what do we know? We know the exterior angle. Therefore 30 equals to 360 upon n. Take n on this side, 30 on this side. 30 comes to a denominator 1 and 12. So n equals to 12. Number of sides is 12. This figure with 12 sides is known as, it is called dodecagon. If diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then the quadrilateral is known as, remember, it is rhombus or a square. Either of these two. Check what the answer is given in the exam, write as given. Remember one thing, if they are bisecting at right angles, then it's rhombus or square. If they are only bisecting, then what? Means it's not given at right angles. Then it can be 4 options: rhombus, square, rectangle or parallelogram. See this, rhombus, they bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Square again, they bisect each other at right angles. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.